Vanna Didi ji, I am Ankita from class 11th science. I am going to explain the graph of sin x, sin 2x, 2 sin x and sin x upon 2. The graph of sin x, all the sin x starts from 0 and they have periodic function. Periodic function is a property of graph to repeat itself after a fixed interval. All these graphs have different periodic function, as the periodic function of graph sin 2x is 0 to pi because it starts from 0 and at pi, and it will repeat this path for next pi to 2 pi and so on. Periodic function of sin x is 0 to 2 pi because it starts from 0, then go and pi with positive y-axis and then go for 2 pi with negative x-axis. And the periodic function of 2 sin x is also same as the sin x, but the maximum height of sin x is 1 and the maximum height of 2 sin x is 2. Periodic function of sin x upon 2 is 0 to 4 pi because it starts from 0 and go at 2 pi for only for positive y-axis, and after this interval it go from negative y-axis at 4 pi, so its interval is 0 to 4 pi. Here maximum height of sin x, sin 2x and sin x upon 2 is 1, but the maximum height of 2 sin x is 2. And the intersection of sin x and 2 sin x curve is pi upon 3, where the value of this function is 0.86, and the intersection of 2 sin x and sin x upon 2, intersection of sin x and sin x upon 2 is here at 2 pi upon 3. The value of function is 0.86 here. For making this activity, firstly I take a graph paper and then draw the coordinate axis. Then I prepare this table in which I have different value for x and their functional value, trigonometric functional value, and then I plot the points and join the curve to make this graph. And here data I observe from the graph, and I have already explained that the maximum height of sin x is 1 and the interval of 0 to pi, and the angle is pi upon 2. Here we can see the angle is pi upon 2 and the maximum of sin x is 1. Maximum height of 2 sin x is 2. It is also at pi upon 2. And maximum height of sin 2x is 1 at pi upon 4. Maximum height of sin x upon 2 is 1 at pi angle. And graph of sin 2x and sin x meet at sin x. This is its intersecting point. And the intersection point of sin x and sin x upon 2 is this at 2 pi upon 3. And in interval of 0 to pi, graph of sin x and sin 2x and 2 sin x lie above the x-axis, as we can see here. But some portion of x sin 2x lie below the x-axis. Here we can see this. Thank you.